Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to design the Lego Man hand using Fusion 360. So let's go ahead and get started. Come on up and start a sketch here. And since you may be 3D printing this, okay, just like the other ones, we're going to change our units to millimeters, okay, and select OK. Next thing we're going to do is come on up to our circle tool and we're going to create a circle with a diameter of 2.2 millimeters. I'm going to zoom in here, way in. Okay, hit enter, finish sketch so you can see this guy, and then we're going to extrude it out a distance of 5.6 millimeters. Select OK. All right, so now we're going to select a plane that's offset from this surface here, and we want it to go the other way, a distance of minus 1.1 millimeters. Select OK. Let's go ahead and start a sketch on here, and we're going to project some geometry. So we're going to go to project, click there. Okay, select OK, and we're going to offset it here a distance of zero point 0.1 millimeters. Okay, then we're going to finish our sketch, and we're going to extrude this guy, this little part right here. We're going to go the other way, a distance of 0.2 millimeters. Select OK. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a small fillet right here, and that's going to be zero point 0.1. Okay, and then hit select OK, and then we're going to add we added a chamfer here. We're going to add a fillet here, and that's going to be zero point 0.2. Go ahead and select OK. Now let's go ahead and start a sketch here on this face, and then we're going to offset it. Let's go ahead and project some geometry first, right there. And then we're going to offset it a distance of 0.2 millimeters. Okay, and then we're going to finish our sketch, and we're going to extrude that guy and that guy a distance of 3 millimeters. Select OK. All right, so now we're going to come up here to construct, and we're going to do a plane. Let's see here. Where did it go? A plane at an angle. Okay, it's going to ask us to select a line, and we're going to select that line right here. And we're going to sort of adjust it here to where it looks something like minus 70 degrees. Okay, go ahead and select OK. Okay, and hopefully you got something that looks like this. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do another plane offset from this one, okay, a distance of 5.3 millimeters. Select OK. So you hopefully have something with two planes like that. Now let's go ahead and create a sketch here on this plane that we just created. Okay, I'm going to project some geometry. Okay, and we're going to select our body here. Okay, and then we're going to select OK. And then we're also going to select, let's see here, let's come back and project again, this circle right there. Okay, select OK. And then we're going to come on over here to our circle tool, and right around in here we're just going to draw out a circle that has a diameter of 4.9 millimeters. Okay, and now we need to tell our circle, we need to tell Fusion 360 where we want our circle. So from this point to this point, we want that distance to be 3.6 millimeters. And then from this edge to the center of our circle, let me hit escape here. Let's try that again. From the center of our circle to this edge, we want that distance to be 1.3 millimeters. Okay, now let's go ahead and finish our sketch. Let's go ahead and extrude. Whoops, hit escape. Extrude this guy down. We're going to select join a distance of 4.5 millimeters. Minus 4.5. There we go. Select OK. Okay, there's starting to look more like our hand here. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and turn off the visibility of some of these planes here so they don't confuse us. All right, so now let's go ahead and hollow out our hand here. So we're going to start a sketch here. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and project some geometry again. We're going to project this guy, and then we're going to offset it a distance of 0.9 millimeters minus 0.9 millimeters. Okay, select OK. And then we're going to grab our line tool, and we're going to just kind of like in this area right here, we're going to draw a line out over here, and over here. We don't want those tangent. All right, now let's go ahead and add some dimensions. So from here to here, we want that to be 1.4. And then from here to this edge, we want that to be 1.4. Enter. Okay, and then we're going to trim this middle portion here. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and finish our sketch. And we're going to go ahead and extrude this portion and that portion, and we're going to cut a distance through all, and make sure it says cut. Select OK. Okay, looking pretty good. All right, so now we're going to do a plane that's offset here from this guy. We want it 3 millimeters. Select OK. Okay, now we're going to start a sketch on that plane. And I'm going to rotate it around a little bit. There we go. So we have something that looks like this. Okay, I'm going to go to Create, and I'm going to project some geometry. I'm going to select that guy and select OK. I'm going to draw a line up 2.5 millimeters. And I'm going to draw another line going the other way 2.5 millimeters. And then I'm going to grab my arc tool. I'm going to click here. Whoop, let me hit escape. Use my arc tool again. I'm going to click here, click there, and then I'm going to adjust it until those tangent constraints show up. So I get this tangent constraint. Now I'm good. I'm going to go ahead and finish my sketch. Okay, I'm going to extrude this part and cut it. Distance through all. Select OK. All right. All right, and finally the last thing we want to do is go ahead and give it a material and a color. Okay, and if you probably know that Lego hands here are yellow, so we're going to make it yellow. And Lego parts are made out of ABS plastic, so we're going to assign it a material of ABS plastic and select close. Okay, and there we have our Lego hand. All right, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.